Hi there, I'm Melody from What Tools Inside, and today I'd like to talk to you about one of my new favorite products. This is the Shark Rocket actually. It's a very lightweight vacuum. Actually lightweight because it's under 9 pounds. It's got a very nice cord, very long cord. It's 25 feet long. And the changing of everything is just a matter of popping this open and all your dirt comes out from under here, just like this, and then you just dump it in the garbage. And I'll show you in 2 seconds on how you can vacuum it from the hard floor right onto the carpet with just the flick of a switch. So I love the versatility of it, how easy it is. I can just take it and I just hang it on the wall. You can take the top part off too, like I showed you, and just clean something just with the handle part. I find it was a really amazing product, and I think you should give it a shot. But that's just my point of view.